Cooseon 6-liter mini mirrored LED beauty fridge. Meet our new mirrored LED beauty fridge. This revolutionary 6-liter skincare fridge was made to keep your makeup and skincare products chilled and fresh for longer while giving your complexion a rejuvenating, cooling effect when applied. Ours chills your beauty products in the best way to ensure they stay fresh for longer, so you don't have to throw them away before you finish them. We've all been there. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 6-liter large capacity. The compact design of this skincare fridge provides enough room for multi-purpose storage to satisfy your different needs. It can chill 8-11 ounces, 330 milliliters cans up to 35 degrees Fahrenheit 2 degrees Celsius or warm up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius. Number 2. 28 dB sleep mode. There is no compressor startup noise or vibration noise. Efficient cooling is achieved, and quiet and stable operation is achieved. The portable refrigerator is only 28 dB. This is a very soft voice. But for light sleep, do not put it in the bedroom to avoid disturbing your rest. Number 3. Cooler and warmer mini fridge. As you can switch between -2 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, you can use it as a refrigerator not only for keeping drinks, fruits, cosmetics, etc., but also for banquets, picnics, camping, in-vehicle use, outdoor use, summer camping, etc. Easily enjoy cold or hot drinks anytime, anywhere. Number 4. DC adapter. 2 plugs are included for both standard wall outlets and 12-volt cigarette lighters in vehicles. DC adapter makes your fridge available for both indoor and outdoor use. Number 5. Stylish design. Mirror and LED design. Specially designed for makeup, or makeup for yourself anytime, anywhere. LED lights are controlled by the touch sensor switch. The brightness of the LED makeup mirror can be adjusted by touch screen. This allows your makeup in the dark or poorly lit areas as well. Number 6. Eco-friendly and safe. 100% free and eco-friendly. Approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Includes plug for both standard home outlets and 12 volts car chargers. Number 7. Perfect portability. Great for personal spaces, travel, offices, dorms, road trips, boating, camping, tailgating, commuting, and more. Its small size and sleek design make it a perfect fit for anywhere. Note: 1. To switch between cold and heat. It should stop working for 1 hour. 2. When the temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius, it will stop working and work automatically at 55 degrees Celsius. The heat will remain at 55-60 degrees Celsius. 3. Wipe the fingerprints on the mirror with alcohol. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.